Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video, we will learn about congruence of triangles. Now, what is the meaning of congruence? First of all, look into this. Congruence. When two figures or two diagrams or two objects are congruent, then they are of same shape and size. Such figures exactly cover their corresponding parts when superimposed. Now, what does this mean? For example, let us take these two pens. They are exactly same, right? Now, if I keep the other pen on the previous one, then it will be exactly equal, right? This is told that such figures are known as congruent figures. Okay, such figures are known as congruent figures. So the corresponding parts are equal. All the parts are equal, right? The length, the size, the shape, everything is equal. So these type of figures are known as congruent figures. Okay. Now, congruence of line segments. Let us see, when are the two line segments said to be congruent? When they have equal length. So here AB line is a line segment and CD is also a line segment. Now both are of equal measure. That is why these two lines are of equal length. Okay. So they are congruent. Congruence of angles. Now, when are the two angles said to be congruent? When their measures of angles is equal. So here you can see angle ABC and angle EFG both are 30 degree in measure. So they are congruent angles. Congruence of circles. So now the two circles are said to be congruent if they have equal radii, that is radius or diameters. Children, remember radius, the plural form of radius is radii. That means more than one radius is said to be as radii. Okay, so here you can see this circle is of 2 cm radius and this also 2 cm radius. So both are equal, right? So they are congruent circles. Is it clear? Now similarly, congruence of squares. Two squares are said to be congruent if they have equal sides. If all the sides are equal, then the two squares are said to be congruent. Next one, congruence of rectangles. Two rectangles are said to be congruent if they have equal length and equal breadths. So this must be equal to this one and this must be equal to this one. This length must be equal to this one and this must be equal to this one. So that they are congruent. Children, for the congruency of triangles, all the parts must be equal. All the sides must be equal and all the angles must be equal. Then only we can say that the triangles are congruent. So there are 6 elements of a triangle, that is 3 angles and 3 sides, which decide the shape and size of a triangle, and in this way we get congruent triangles. Now children, this chapter is on congruency of triangles. So in our next video we will learn different properties of the congruency of triangles and how we can prove that the given triangles are congruent. Thank you for watching.